Hello everyone, welcome to Master's Teach, and today we are going to discuss about the ICT. It is a part of your APDSC, and today we discuss about the Web 2.0 technology in education. So let us start introduction to Web 2.0. So it is a second generation internet. Then it is the evaluation static web pages to dynamic interactive platforms. So previously only web pages were there with the www dot, and you are going to have the address .com or .edge or .org. Okay, but the second generation got changed to web pages to dynamic and where you can interactive. Okay, so you can read and write. So through this introduction to web 2.0, read and write web, users actively participate in collaborating and create content together. Then digital introduction education. So it is a very important for a modern teaching and special education classrooms. So key characteristic of web 2.0. So user can be participate and contribute from all the users in the learning process, and at the same time not only working but they can also share their projects and learning activities online. That is a collaboration. Then it comes to user generated content. So users and teachers and students can create and share their educational content. So rich user interference, that means interactive, engaging and visually appealing learning environment. Social networking, so connecting learners and educators across the geographical boundaries. Then cloud based access, so learner can anywhere anytime with the internet connected, they can be active and they can save the information. So the key characteristics of web 2.0, it is a user participation, it is a collaboration, it is a user generated content and rich user interface, then social networking, cloud based access. So types of web 2.0 tools are social networks, blogs and microblogs, wikis, video sharing platforms, then collaboration tools and educational web 2.0 tools. So social networks like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp for educational communities and communication. So we make web page like Facebook groups and Instagram and WhatsApp groups. Then blogs, maybe micro. Okay, it's going to be platform for sharing thoughts and reflections. So education content regularly. Wikis like Wikipedia, where you can share the knowledge, collaborate the knowledge along with the peer group as well as from the out of peer group. Then video sharing platforms, so YouTube and similar sites where educational videos and tutorial can be shared and viewed in real time. Then collaboration tools like Google Docs, Padlets. So in real time, the group can work and share the documents. Then educational web 2.0 tools are Edmodo, Kahoot, Quizzes, Moodle design specifically for the learning. So popular web 2.0 examples are YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, then Google Docs, Wikipedia. So here Canva, Kahoot, Telegram. These are uh, example for the popular web 2.0. Okay, these platforms are very interactive, collaborative, and engaging learning, digital learning experience for all the students. So educational software. So it is a Canva where you can create posters, worksheets, and lesson plans. So it is visual design, visual support for the children with special needs, that is the disabled people. Okay, it increases the creativity and digital content creation. user-friendly and drag-and-drop interface, templates for educational material. So simply you can use the Canva through this particular app or website, Canva. We create thumbnails and web pages. Then teaching lesson plans also can be used. So remember, the Canva is a graphic design tool. So remember this, the Canva. Okay. Then educational software and tutor platforms. As you know, so there's a great uh, apps Byju's. Okay, it is a interactive live class with the expert teachers and personal learning. Then Vedantu. Okay, it is a real-time doubt-solving assignments and comprehensive assessment. Then Google Classrooms. So through which you can give the assignments and distribute progress tracking and seamlessly communication. So these platforms enable the personal learning, real-time feedback, and flexible pacing for diverse learners. So educational softwares that is called Moodle. It is the uh, learning management system. Okay, this Moodle is the open source. Okay, it is a free of cost customizable learning management system for institution. Okay, Moodle. Then content upload, you can share the notes, quizzes, assignments and multimedia resources where you can also do the discussions. Okay, it's a grade book system, so student can track the progress, uh, provide timely feedback. So Moodle supports for self-paced learning and particularly useful for special education with its accessible features. So what is the importance of web 2.0 in education? It promotes collaboration. That means you can share the ideas. Okay, constructivist learning. So learners can actively construct knowledge through exploration and creation. Then enhancing digital literacy. So it develops the 21st century enabled skills. Then it enables the inclusive education. So accessible to all the diverse learner, including the children with special needs. So multi-sensor material available where visual, audio and interactive content. So it help the for different learning style students. So Web 2.0 is a special education. Okay. So what is this? Like children with special needs. That means those who are unable to move or visually impaired or hearing impaired. For them, it can be used flexible pacing. So they can learn on their own speed, multimodal content. So they can have the text, images, videos and audio support. Then visual audio support. So where they can view and captions will be there. Screen readers can be done and visual aids enhance the accessibility. Then accessible learning. AT, we already discussed, adopt the adaptive technologies, ensure that everybody is going to have the learning opportunity. Online collaboration. So peer groups work together regardless of their physical and limitations. So role of teacher's role in Web 2.0. Teacher is a facilitator. So he guide the students through digital learning experience and exploration. So as a teacher, you are going to be a content designer like Canva and multimedia you have to use. Technology integrator. So seamlessly blend the 2.0 tools into curriculum and pedagogy. Evaluator. So he has to evaluate all the assignments and do the analytical things through digitally, and is a motivator. He encourages the active participation of learners and to become good digital citizens. So this is the role of the teacher, facilitator, content designer, technology integrator, evaluator, motivator, and facilitator. So AP TET and CTET exam points. So Web 2.0, it is where you can read, write, web, second generation of internet technology, enabling user participation. So key features: user generated content. You can say that UGC, not University Grant Commission. It is a user generated content. Then collaboration, cloud based access, social networking. Examples to remember for the 2.0, Web 2.0: blogs, wikis, YouTube, Facebook, Google Docs, Edmodo, and Padlet. Moodles. It is a open source learning management system. Okay, for course management. Canva, where you can design different things, creating individual educational content and material. High weight topics like ICT concepts, Web 2.0 are important for the AP TET special education. So 2. Web 2.0 transform learning from passive consumption to active creation, collaboration with the student and teacher, and interactive and collaboration. So student can engage with the content, peers and teachers in meaningful way. It is inclusive education. It supports the different types of learners, including children with special needs, with the accessible and flexible tools. Then essential for ICT. So it is a critical component for modern teaching methods and digital classroom. So you can subscribe to Masters Teach, and you can also download Masters Teach. Okay, and you can access through my number, which is given in the uh, screen. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Please go through this and will be helpful to you in your examination. Thank you.